Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two popular marketing platforms, GetResponse and System.io. So if you are trying to decide which one is better for your business, stick around at the last of this video. We will break down all features, pricing and the key difference between them so you can understand easily which one is for you. So let's start with GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing and automation platform. It's designed to help businesses automate their email campaign, manage their contact, and improve their online marketing efforts. The key feature of GetResponse include email marketing, autoresponders, landing pages, webinars, and CRM integration. It's a great option if you are looking for a platform to grow your email list, run campaigns, and automate your marketing efforts. GetResponse also provides advanced tools for e-commerce integration and conversation funnels, which makes it a solid choice for small and medium-sized businesses. Now let's talk about System.io. This is an all-in-one platform that offers a range of tools for email marketing, funnel building, membership sites, and online courses. It's built for businesses looking to simplify their marketing process with a single tool. System.io offers features like email campaign, sales funnel, affiliate program, website builders, and blogging. One of its biggest selling point is its simplicity and affordable price. It's very ideal for entrepreneurs, small businesses, or those who are just getting started with online marketing. GetResponse is more feature-rich with advanced tool for email automation, webinars, and CRM management. It's perfect if you need a comprehensive email marketing solution and plan to scale your business with advanced automation and analytics. On the other hand, System.io offers more all-in-one solution that goes beyond just email marketing. With System.io, you can build sales funnel, create membership site, and manage affiliate program. It's a great option if you are looking for a simpler, more affordable platform that can handle various aspects of your business in one place. When it comes to pricing, System.io has a major advantage. It offers a free plan with essential features like email marketing and funnels, and its paid plan are very affordable also. System.io is an excellent choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs on a budget. GetResponse, on the other hand, it doesn't offer a free plan but has 30 days trial. Its pricing starts higher compared to System.io, especially for features like webinar and advanced automation. It's better suited for businesses that are ready to invest in more advanced marketing tools as they grow. So which one is better for you? If you are looking for a feature-packed email marketing platform with advanced automation, webinars, and e-commerce integration, GetResponse is the better choice for you. It's great for businesses that need comprehensive solution and ready to scale. However, if you are just getting started or need a budget-friendly all-in-one platform that can handle funnel, email marketing, and affiliate programs without all the extra complexity, System.io might be better fit for you. So both GetResponse and System.io are excellent platform, but the best one for you depends on your business needs. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.